Hello friends, welcome to yet another video on Essential Life Skills with Ms.Richa. Well, today we are going to talk about how to be the best version of yourself. Well, from childhood to adulthood, we all have heard this saying, people around us say, be the best you can be good, be confident, be the best you can. Well, what does it mean on a day-to-day basis? We are living in a world where standards are rising and things are becoming very, very complex and competitive. And if we are not the best version of yourself, what happens? We get left far behind. So it's important and imperative to understand that being the best version should be not probably look like a burden or a problem. Being the best version of yourself should be fun, should be innovative, should be creative. And that's very important. Becoming the best version of yourself is not something that should look like a big rocket science to you. Become the best version of yourself and live the kind of life that you want to achieve. And that, my dear friends, should be your ultimate goal in life. So today in this video tutorial, we will talk about ways to become the best version of yourself. So keep watching. So friends, the first tip in order to be the best version of yourself, remember that the best version of yourself needs to be your vision, not anybody else. Be the best that you want to be for yourself, not for your parents, your spouse, your siblings, your friends, or your colleagues at work, or even your boss. Try and be the best version of yourself because you want to be the best version of yourself. You might have heard this very famous line in a very nice Bollywood movie said by a very famous Bollywood actress. I am my own favorite. Well, in that similar way, I would like to tell you that try and be your own favorite and try to be the best version of yourself just because you want to be the best version of yourself, not because somebody else expects you to be the best version of yourself. So that's tip number one. Remember, to be the best version of yourself, it should be your vision, your reality. The second tip in order to be the best version of yourself is stop having any kind of negative self-talk. Well friends, if you say to yourself these lines, for example, I can never lose 10 kgs, I can never find a perfect life partner, I can never score well in my exams, I can never look pretty or beautiful in whatever I wear, I always look stupid. Well, if these are the kind of lines that you tell yourself on a day-to-day basis, you are suffering from negative self-talk. In order to be the best version of yourself, you need to silence this inner critic which is inside you, which is telling you you can't do this or you can't do that. You need to believe in yourself and have positive self-talk. So I would suggest try and remove words like can't, never, but, always, can never do this. These words are negative words which need to just go out of your dictionary of life. Start replacing these negative words with positive words like can do, will do. The moment you start doing it, you will realize you start becoming the best version of yourself. So that's tip number two, stop the negative self-talk. My friends, the third tip in order to be the best version of yourself is you need to stop criticizing and judging people. We live in this world where all the time we are judging people, labeling people, even without knowing them, and that's very disheartening. If you do not know somebody, do not judge or pass comments on them. The moment you throw negative energy onto people by criticizing them or judging them, you are actually damaging their self-worth and self-image and self-confidence. And what happens is you are also releasing all this negative energy, buckets of negative energy into the universe, which is again coming back to you. So I would suggest, in order to be the best version of yourself, stop criticizing, judging people, accept them the way they are, and nobody is perfect in this world, is there? So you need to accept people the way they are and stop your judgments on people. And that, my dear friends, is the third tip in order to be the best version of yourself. So friends, my fourth tip in order to be the best version of yourself is stop the fear of failure. Well, do you feel like you're going to fail in your job, be fired, fail in your relationships? If you feel so much of failure in every aspect of your life, you are suffering from something which is known as achinophobia. Well, this is known as the fear of failure, and a lot of people suffer from it because you do not believe in yourself. So fear of failure is always going to be there because failure is a part of life. All the people who have been successful like Michael Jordan, Richard Branson, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, etc. have failed innumerable number of times, but they did not get disheartened and they carried on because they believed in themselves. So in order to be the best version of yourself, you need to remove this fear of failure and replace it by something positive. So get rid of this fear of failure in order to be the best version of yourself. Friends, my fifth tip in order to be the best version of yourself is stop the fear of success. While you might find this a little strange when I say fear of success, because some people have a fear of success. Does it happen to you when you are going around in your normal day-to-day life and things are happening nicely and beautifully, somewhere in your mind there is a doubt that things cannot happen in such and such manner? And guess what happens? Everything falls apart because your mind made you trick into the belief that nothing is going right, even when things around you are happening absolutely all right. Well, if you suffer from a fear of success, it is not a good thing, because in your mind, the subconscious mind believes in that, which makes you, or rather tricks you into believing the fear of success. So in order to be successful, try and enjoy success. Do not have a fear of failure in your mind, or fear of success that things might not happen. Things will happen the way they have to happen, because things are meant to happen in such and such manner. There is no coincidence in life. You attract whatever you feel or believe in. So that's my fifth number tip. In order to be the best version of yourself, stop the fear of success. Well friends, the last and the final tip in order to be the best version of yourself is stop people pleasing. Well, do these descriptions sound like you? If you say to yourself, I always like to please people, I always like people to want me or like me, I always say yes to people because I might probably hurt somebody by saying no. Do you always feel that you like to be a part of the crowd rather than standing your ground? If these descriptions sound like you, you are treating yourself as somebody who loves to be, pleasing people, and it's time to say no more to that. Stop treating yourself like a doormat. It's time to have your own identity rather than trying to please everybody in this universe, because that's not going to happen. People will always judge, people will always have their opinion about you, but you need to be your own favorite and you need to stand up for yourself. So have confidence in yourself and believe in yourself, and that's very important in order to be the best version of yourself. Stop pleasing people. Please only one person, and that is yourself. No more treating yourself like a doormat. So that's my sixth and the final tip in order to be the best version of yourself. Stop people pleasing. So friends, let's have a quick recap of what these 6 tips and techniques are in order to be the best version of yourself. Tip number 1, remember that the best version of yourself needs to be your vision and nobody else's. Tip number 2, stop people pleasing. Tip number 3, stop the fear of failure. Tip number 4, stop the fear of success. Tip number 5 is stop this inner critic or inner self-talk. And final way to be the best version of yourself is believe in yourself. Do it for your own good and nobody else's. Well friends, it was lovely teaching you this module on how to be the best version of yourself. Keep watching more videos coming your way. Till then, thank you and bye-bye.